As technology continuously advances, so do the weapons and vehicles that protect the armed forces of the world. So join us as we count 10 incredible advanced military weapons.
Number 10.
Pantsir S1. The Pantsir S1 or SA-22 Greyhound short-range air defense system is designed to protect strategic, military and civil point targets. This system is capable of engaging a wide variety of aerial targets such as aircraft, helicopters, ballistic and cruise missiles and guided bombs. Developers claim that it is also capable of engaging stealth aircraft such as the F-117 and F-22. It is claimed that by 2014 more than 200 of these air defense systems were produced. It has also been exported to Algeria, Syria and United Arab Emirates. It carries up to 12 surface-to-air missiles in sealed containers. These missiles are ready to launch and have a radio command guidance. It is worth mentioning that the missiles are not fitted with seekers. Instead, missile tracking is provided via the combat vehicle's sensor system.
Number 9.
Armatix Digital Revolver, a digital handgun with an electric safety that can automatically be disabled via wristwatch. The high-tech watch requires fingerprint authorization from the primary owner, which is then analyzed through the device's internal database and becomes activated for a restricted period of time or until it's manually deactivated. After registering the wireless signal sent from the watch, the revolver's LED light on the back flashes green for unlocked or red for locked to inform the user of the gun's initial setting.
Number 8.
XM25 Smart Grenade Launcher. US troops stationed in Afghanistan received this beauty as a Christmas present in 2010. The programmable grenade launcher carries 4 tiny warheads and can fire 25mm shells up to 2,300 feet, almost half a mile. But the X25's best feature is the ability to program the shell to explode at any given point. It also sports different sight, sensor and laser functions, as well as a short barrel. No wonder soldiers refer to it as the Punisher.
Number 7.
MQ9 Reaper Drone. The Reaper has been around for many years now, but was used largely for intelligence and reconnaissance until recently. Today, squadrons of F-16s are being transitioned into fully unmanned drone fleets. The Reaper is the largest of the UAVs in the US arsenal with a wingspan of 84 feet, a takeoff weight of 7,000 pounds, a payload capacity of 3,000 pounds, and a flight time of 36 hours. The drone climbs up to 52,000 feet and reads a license plate from over 2 miles away. Capable of carrying 500-pound bombs, air-to-ground and air-to-air missiles, the UAV fleet is poised to perform the lion's share of American air support. As of March 2011, the Air Force has more personnel training to operate its drone fleet than for any other weapon system in its arsenal.
Number 6.
ADAPTIV Invisibility Cloak. Developed and patented in Sweden, ADAPTIV functions over infrared and other electronic frequencies. While it can blend the coated vehicle into the background, making it seem to be invisible, it can also shape the returning signal to appear like something else. A tank, for example, can be made to look like a car. These pictures show both the combat vehicle disappearing and reshaping itself into the outline of a car.
Number 5.
PHASR Rifle. The Personal Halting and Stimulation Response Rifle is a handheld laser array called a Dazzler, capable of blinding and disorientating anyone caught in its sights. While weapons to cause blindness were sagely restricted in the 1995 United Nations Protocol on Blinding Laser Weapons, a ruling the US didn't agree to until 2009, the phaser only causes temporary blindness, thus escaping the ban. Dazzlers were originally mounted devices to US soldiers' rifles as a non-lethal way to halt Iraqis who failed to stop at checkpoints. The phaser uses a green laser array to calculate its target's distance and ensure its non-blinding intensity.
Number 4.
The Black Knight. The Black Knight is a combination remote control tank and forward scouting vehicle designed for situations too risky for manned vehicles. To keep costs low, the Black Knight shares a weapon system and engine parts with the manned Bradley fighting vehicle, including a 30mm cannon, machine gun and 300 horsepower engine. The vehicle is also fitted with autonomous navigation software and can design and follow its own routes without input from an outside source.
Number 3.
The Active Denial System. Dubbed America's ray gun, the Active Denial System is really more a combination radar array and microwave. The ADS shoots a stream of electromagnetic waves, shorter than microwaves, which are instantly absorbed by the top layer of skin. The pain is so intense, the reaction to run from the beam so overpowering, the military calls it the goodbye weapon. The ADS has been used domestically, both on test subjects and prison inmates. It was deployed to Afghanistan in 2010, only to be recalled, inexplicably, months later. The military claims there are no lingering effects from exposure.
Number 2.
MAARS Robot. The Modular Advanced Armed Robotics System Robot is a modified remote control bomb disposal robot. Customizable to various needs, the MAARS can be configured with either a MB240 machine gun and 40mm grenade launcher, or a loudspeaker and eye-dazzling laser, or beanbag guns, smoke and pepper spray.
Number 1.
The Laser Avenger. Only a few centimeters in diameter and invisible to the naked eye, the Avenger's laser is 20 times hotter than an electric stove top and will cut through artillery shells with ease. The Avenger was designed with the hope of effectively detonating the improvised explosive devices that inflict more damage on American forces than any other weapon. Current disposal methods involve a version of the MAARS Robot that insurgents will bomb to take out of action. The Avenger is also being tested to take down aerial vehicles.